Welcome sa programang Good Morning Davao sa Pinoy Rab YouTube channel. This morning naataron sa, as we can see, the I Love Arroyo. So we are in Arroyo compound dito sa Matina Crossing. And last night they have the waters rise up, no? Bumha po kagabi at maraming mga nagkaroon ng maraming damage po ang mga ano dito, no?
Wash out hanggang Mary Grace.
Yeah. Ito po ang unahin natin, syempre. Dito tayo. Right. Wala man siguro, hindi ano man siguro gitanggal.
Na-wash out na ako kanaon. Kana kang Grace ang ating dahan.
Yeah. As we can see, originally may katabi ito. Ito may katabi. Ito yung yan po yung stall ni Mayet, yung ating correspondent po din ng member, circle din po ng Pinoy Rab Foundation na tinulungan po natin sa kanyang entrepreneurship. And then may katabi po siya dito na nagtitinda ng gulay. Stall po yan ni Grace, but this is how is it. Lumutang po talaga yung lumutang po talaga yung kanyang tawag dito, ang kanyang stall. Lumutang po talaga, devastated, no. And guys, at lipat natin yung angle. Ito po yung ating Christmas lights na nilagay dito. Nag-install po na ng Christmas tree. Ang tubig po yata kagabi ay lumagpas hanggang, tingnan natin kung hanggang saan. Kasi may makiayon. So, pasukin po natin itong ating pwesto. Napakaputik po mga kaibigan, no? Napakaputik po tayo. Meron po tayo, yan, 6 inches po yan. Yung fave na yan, 6 inches, pero talagang putik. So, imagine guys, if these things, yan, nakikita nyo po ba yan? Dahon po yan ng talahib, no? Dahon po yan ng talahib, and kung susukatin po natin yan, more or less nasa ano po siya, 2.5 to 3 feet yata yan. Yan po. Ito po nangyari sa ating Christmas tree, guys. At yung pong main switch natin doon, yung ating outlet po ay talagang sasabihin po natin na ano po talaga yan, naabutan po talaga ng tubig. So wala po tayong magawa. It's an act of nature, kumbaga. Kung sa insurance po ay tinatawag nila yan na it's an act of nature. At may nakita tayong guys dito na wala noon, no? This is Marvin's vehicle. Hindi po niya bicycle. Hindi po niya tinanggal, guys. Oh my God. So hanggang dito pala talaga, umabot. So yes, talagang tanyo yan, it's the wreckage. So itong mga na ito, guys, itong mga pipes na ito, dati-rati ay baon po ito. Yan po, yung pipes po na yan, dati-rati baon po yan. Ngayon lumabas po talaga siya. So ibig sabihin po nun, the water wash it, the soil wash out and replaced by a mud. Nawas out po yung mga buhangin dyan at napalitan po siya ng putik, the muddy. Taan natin, wow. Balikan natin, eto dito. Okay, ito, may curtain. Itong kurtina na ito, guys, as we can see, this will tell the whole story hanggang dito. So napakataas po. Napakataas po. Kung atin pong i-measure yan, more or less nasa 3 feet. So lagpas po hanggang tuhod yan. Hanggang tuhod po yan, hanggang dito. So more or less nasa malapit magti 3 feet yan. Yan po ang nangyari dito kagabi, guys. At syempre, so to speak, hindi na po yan bago dito sa Arroyo, no? Hindi na po yan bago. As we can see also the water level here. Ito po. Kita niyo po yung basa na yan. Yung basa na yan po, nakita niyo yan. Yung basa na yan po ay most probably the water level. See? Oh, okay. Ito pa. Pasukin po natin yung pasukin po natin yung ito yung ano natin. Ito yung ano natin dito hanggang dito na level. Napakataas po ng tubig. So umabot yata, pumasok din pala talaga sa bahay, sa sahig ng bahay talaga. It was totally wrecked. At hindi na po bago ito sa mga ano guys. Hindi na po bago ito sa mga taga Arroyo po. This is but normal sa kanila. So pupuntahan natin una si Ate Mila po. Ito po bahay ni Ate Mila. At of course may as I observe, umakyat po yung mud. Makapal ito guys. Makapal ito. Ayan.
Si Pem, okay lang ba na?
Napakakapal po ng mud. Naay!
Na agi apilan mo si Pem?
Wala siya napilan. I don't know. Oo, tama. Wala siya na ano. Sige na.
Uy, pagka dili ba ang inta?
Sige na. Yeah. So, eto guys. Ayo. Ito yung bahay po ng correspondent natin sa Pinoy Rab YouTube channel. Si Jerilyn. At, see, nandyan sila. At, good morning. Ito po yan. Wash out po yung ano niya. Wash out po yung...
Balas, then, nahurot.
Yes,
Bawi akong balas. 2 ka kubik yung...
Yeah, 2 cubic meter. Yeah. Ano talaga, wash out talaga guys. So, ito po ang iniwan talaga.
Balas to, adin to sa patway.
Yeah. Ito po yung pinahakot niyang ano. Kasi wala siya manggoy ano. Dapat manggod naka hollow blocks na siya para dili lagi siya mo awas. Anyway, that's the real thing. So pumasok yata sa loob, niabot pa sa sulod. Hanggang saan po?
Dili na. Dili na ko to.
Okay. Mabuti na lang.
Tapos na ako ang kuan ipang.
Yeah.
Kuan ipang prepare.
Anyway, that's ano. Anyway, hindi po ito sila first timer guys sa mga ganitong situation guys. Ito yung bahay ni Jerilyn Parcon, ang correspondent po natin sa Pinoy Rab YouTube channel, Joy Ride. Pupuntahan po natin yung iba nating mga correspondent po dito. Mataas na bahagi po. Mataas na bahagi po ito. Puntahan natin puntahan natin ang bahay ni Giselle. Si Giselle also is one of our correspondent, no? Ito. Anyway, this is the aftermath. Right, ganito talaga ang buhay, guys. Ito yung level talaga na propose ni Jerilyn. Nakita nyo po yan. Yang sahig na yan. Yan po ang actual na sahig niya ngayon sa kanyang bahay. At gagawin niya lahat po yan papunta doon. So, I should say, nasa mga 3 plus or 4 feet siya. Can you guys, the mud are here, oh. Napaka maputik. Yes. Morning. Morning. Alright.
Good morning, Dade.
Yes, good morning. Here it is. The vacant lot here. It's not vacant. It's abandoned house. Ang daming putik. Ano? Hello, good morning. See? So, ma-compare natin guys. Ngayon, this is the lower part. Semi-lower kasi may mas mababa pa dito. Gimihason. Okay. So, hanggang dito. Asa kutob? Wow, this is it.
Pili ko dito video ya.
Wow. Yeah. Sali natin. See guys.
Ay, passport.
Pero hindi na ito bago sa kanila. It's a part of their living. Being struck with a flood, and of course, as what people are saying, that's Giselle. And
This is
the fave that we just, a month ago or 2 months, 3 months ago, where, ang maganda na lang ngayon guys, cemented na siya, naka-fave na siya, so wala na siyang putik. So wash it. Yan, pasan ba lang ni Ruby?
Auntie Ruby's house is beside her.
Dito na ang mas lalom daw, no?
Asa ba na kung tinela?
Ito na si Ruby. Si Kon Juby. Taan ko ito guys. Sige ra, okay ra na siya.
Dali. Dali ang balay natin, Ruben.
Okay, good morning. Yeah, see. Sige ra, good morning. That is Bilyong. And this is the house of Ate Rubes. See? After the aftermath, after the flood, ito yung ginagawa talaga nila na routine. Nagwawash ng floor and of course, syempre i-restore yung hindi naman the original one but the water level will just subside and yeah, oo. Ito yung kay Ate Ruby na bahay. One of our family circle ng Pinoy Rob YouTube channel or Pinoy Rob Foundation. Guys, ang dami. Mga So guys, I'm just starting. Kine? Alright. So itong portion na ito po ay medyo medyo lower part na po ito kasi pahili siya eh. Mula doon, pababa siya, papuntang river. So, ito yung bahay ni Ruby, ni Juby. Yeah. Ito yung bahay ni Juby. Ito yung ating mga sponsored na mga bata sa after school natin. And you know guys, bago lang po nagibutang no. Yeah. Yes. So kailangan talaga nito kailangan talaga ng kailangan talaga ng total Imo pa ni bata. Kakinsa ni bata. Hello ma. Okay.
Ay, Lati Grace. Sakto nila.
Wow.
Amugab din, wa na.
That's Grace house. And of course, ito yung garden sana nila, no? So wala po tayo talagang magawa kasi ganito. So even if gagawin itong tawag dito, ihahang nila yung mga talagang maabot din talaga ng tubig. So saan sila dumadaan? Dili po sila nag-aagi.
Oh, dito pikas na siya.
They have a So ito po, no?
Kung mga talong dito sayang.
Yes, sayang sa mga talong. The eggplant are sayang unfortunately. It really broke my heart.
Ay, lati tong mo ito wa na.
Yeah, it really broke my heart. But you see the people around here still able to smile, still able to convince themselves that nothing happens. And of course, pupuntahan po natin yung river, guys. Pupuntahan po natin ang river. Ito, abandoned area na ito eh. Nagpa-demolish na po sila. So, ito yun. Tingnan po natin yung river. Kasi this is the lower part. Expected that mas mataas pa ang tubig dito kagabi. So, nag-subside lang po ito. 1 o'clock in the madaling araw. So, see how it was happen. Yan po ang river. Yan po yung river dyan. See the water. Wow. It is totally devastated. And this is one of a house of Gemaline. She rented a house here and Gemaline is here.
Hi there.
Hello, good morning. So she is now retrieving the place. Good for her because her rented house is made of concrete. So, kaunting lang ito, kaunting retrieval lang. And merong naman, may mga naman tawag dito. May mga bricks naman po. So, yan. Imagine, okay, hope we are not trespassing here. But, let me up here. See the river, guys. Oh, it's a lot of fine sand here. That's a fine sand. Over there, that's the fine sand. See? Wow, mataas na mataas yung tubig po kagabi. Ganito po ka-dangerous ang lugar na ito, guys. But of course, people, wala pong magagawa ang mga tao just to, let themselves at ease or appease. Because that is already, that's their only hope, no? Na magiging matibay, magiging matatag po despite of everything that happens today. So guys, see, kung titignan po natin, kung i-assess po natin, ang laki po talaga ng effect. Ang laki po talaga ng effect sa kanila ito. So, this is it. This is how life's, here. And, wow. So, we move on. Wow. Ito po yung diretso po tayo. Puntahan natin yung bahay ni Arnolfa. Kung nandito yung bahay ni Arnolfa. Alright. So, tingnan natin dito guys. Medyo mataas pala sila. Hindi pala sila mababa. So, I am now going to the house of Arnolfa. Ito yung lugar. Ito dito na nalinis na po nila. But the riverbank is right there. See? So ito po, papunta na po tayo sa bahay ni Arnolfa. Isa po sa ating mga correspondent din. After school teachers natin. One of the after school teachers. See the mud. How bad it is. It is really bad. But people were trying to compose themselves. See guys, the level of water. See, it is, it is really, wow. And people trying to compose themselves. Yes, it is. Yeah, good morning. Sige ra, okay ra ko. Makita gid diri no?
Ha?
Makita gid dito sa tikod po no?
Katong ko mulay.
Okay ra eh. Sige ra padayon na. This is Grace, one of our family in Nahugno.
Oh, dito sa mo.
Ang salog jud. Ang salog. Wow.
Ano yan?
Right. Oh, we are now inside the Grace house. So asa ang ano?
Di ko na.
Ana siya salog.
Oh, dala mga kahoy daw.
Oh, wow. Okay. It collapsed. The floor level it collapsed. See? The floor right over here it collapsed, guys. Wow. It's awful. Sad to hear that. They have this makeshift kitchen, the dirty kitchen that we called dirty kitchen. And this is aftermath, but si Grace ang atong interview. And a lot of dogs here. Busog pa ko. Busog pa ko para. Pagpag-asikaso na mo, balik na ko na ha. Mastorya taon. Masuri o sa ako. Lagi lang ko dog ha. Di lang mo maghilabot ha. See guys. Alright, this is Arnolfa's house. Of course, it's still affected because they have also a ground floor, but they use it for only for dinner, lunch, or for the dining. It's a dining. Yeah. So this is Arnolfa's place, and she already fixed it this morning. So they are also affected, and everything. See the mud. The water level is here. Wow, it's really awful. Oh, wow. See, this is the down part of the below the first floor, and they are already abandoned it, and they are now reside at the upstairs. Of course, they're still affected because of the situation. You see, guys, how the rivers devastated the place. Anyway, it's hinayon na dyan siya. So, naabli lagi importante gito yun, nag-abli?
Abli da anak.
Okay.
Dilim di ko ana kaning murag na nga kuan gabi nga kuan ba.
Nangatumba, no? Hello. Okay, ako this is my I sponsor their wedding. Louis. Yes, Louis. And I am the ninong, the godfather of their wedding. And this is I know, ayo. Oh, look at their place. See, guys? Yeah, the most worst thing, aftermath. Because they are going to retrieve the place, and they are going to fix everything, the wet, anything that's being wet should be restored. And there's the kids. Hello, baby. Where is Uno? Where is Dos? And this is the bunso. Uno and Dos. Yeah, these lovely kids are. Oh, they just don't know what's happening around. Okay.
Nicole, this is Nicole.
Oh, yeah, this is Nicole and the bunso. So better. Asa man nagsaka gabi eh?
Ito adi.
Dito yun mo.
Pero nisulod yung isang kwarto di ay.
O musulod yun na siya, kataas man ang tubig. See, guys, these people are being affected. So, good morning. So, this is just a part of my tour aftermath sa Matina Crossing o Arroyo compound flood. Oh, there's a TV on it. And the TV were washed out. See inside, guys. The mud is climbing up. And this house is for sale. I don't know if anybody will love to still have this interest to buy this after what happened. Anyway, so that's the thing here. So, whom to be blamed? I don't know. Is it the people residing? Is it the people who are, the people who are responsible for things like that? Issues have been raised. A lot of issues to be tackled, a lot of issues to be resolved. And of course, we will be some analysts or some environmentalists there. Some environmentalists says that the cause of this flood is the illegal logging, and people doesn't care about tree planting or to restore the place after they cut trees on it. So see, this is very awful. See that? So guys, here is the thing. So yeah, a lot of laundry over here. It's being wet by the by the flood last night. But you know what is the good thing? You know what is the good thing being a Filipino? It's a trait, it's a trait of being a Filipino, guys, that after the disaster, people can still smile, people can still laugh, having a laughing stop, that, because that's the Filipino traits. We are just not be bothered by what is happening around, but of course, we motivate ourselves to be composed and to do things which is necessary, retrieving things, restoring things which is destroyed or being washed out. And that's why we called it here. That's why we called it. There is our trademark. I love Arroyo. Why? Because the people here in Arroyo, even they are the victims of the so I called this unfair nature, unfair environment, unfair society. See, sometimes politicians are just using them. Sometimes politicians are just, I'm sorry for my words, but you can see they can do a lot of things if people are really dedicated to help people. But sometimes, people inside the compound or people inside the community are being used. Of course, they will grab the opportunity of receiving things which was given unto them because they thought or they know that That is their tax money. They came from the people's money, the tax collection that being collected unto them. So guys, this is it. See, aftermath guys, nakita po natin yung pangyayari talaga. And wala po akong masabi kundi keep my feelings composed, because kung makikita mo, iba ang makikita po natin sa video at iba po talaga yung actual. Because sometimes video are, you know, being a story type or story type of information, but see it by yourself and you can conclude that there's really a need, immediate need for something to, you know, para ma-appease po yung mga tao, para mabalik po sa kanila yung dating sigla, mabalik po sa kanila yung dating kilos nila. So this is Gilbert Lopez Martí-Cazzo. Good morning, Davao.
If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news, and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.